Yo guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we're finally getting an update on the Bimmer again. Now it's Wednesday and I'm probably going to upload it also today. But yeah, they are going to start the repairs on the car, finally. So the doors have already been painted, so it's Wednesday now. And normally they should have been painted tomorrow. Like I said, normally they should have been painted tomorrow, but they already painted, which is a very good news. So they are gonna let them dry at the paint shop, but I'm going to drop off the car right now. So tomorrow he can do an oil change to the car, new spark plugs, new screen wipers, new brake fluid. So that's gonna get done. And when that's getting done, he's also going to install the new doors, what I'm very happy about, because then most of the damage will be repaired. I don't think my side skirt is all yet in, so I will probably have to come back to do that. But the doors will be fixed, and you know, that's the most important thing, because that's the biggest damage. The dropper is also pretty important, but you know, that still hurts my heart but to watch, but you know, it's less worse as the door. So probably in 2 days, so this Friday probably, or maybe tomorrow evening, I'm gonna pick up the door. We will see, but I'm very happy that it's all going quite well. So I'm dropping off the car right now. I'm getting the E87 back from my garage, and tomorrow is going to do everything, and then I will probably have the car back Friday or tomorrow evening. And then it's just waiting on the side skirt, and when the side skirt is in, it's gonna get painted, but that shouldn't take that long. And when it's painted, we're installing it, and installation on side skirts takes 10-15 minutes. We also have to drill in the Maxon design, and we are done. So hopefully that the side skirts arrive. I ordered them on Bimmer products, and sometimes, you know, sometimes when I order parts from there, they arrive after 5 days, and sometimes it takes 9 days, and it's now 7 days ago, so they should arrive any moment. So maybe tomorrow, this Friday, I hope. My guess is they're gonna arrive Friday or Monday, and if they arrive this Friday, then I hope they can get painted this Monday or Tuesday, and then also Wednesday or Thursday, worst case scenario, they're gonna get installed. So I think in worst case scenario, at the end of next week, the car should be ready, but I hope it will be a little bit sooner. But we really just have to wait on the side skirts right now, so we're gonna see what that will bring. Yeah, I'm happy that it's getting along, but I still have to get, you know, money from the insurance to pay everything, because I'm not gonna pay for this myself. And also another good news is that I have a new phone. So I ordered it, and I ordered a new phone with a better camera, so I'm very curious how that's gonna look. It arrived today, so I'm very happy with that, and I just took the wrong exit. Fuck. But yeah, that's gonna look very, very nice. So yeah, it's a better day. I'm a little bit relieved that, you know, the new doors are painted. They're gonna get installed tomorrow, and also, you know, it's just waiting on the side skirt. So when that's done, we can get the car back in almost perfect shape. So yeah, so that's the update for this video. It was just, you know, short update video. Like I said, I'm way happier again, because this is not really a fun period. I mean, I've been driving my car like this for almost 2 weeks now, and I'm pretty tired of it. But yeah, I'm happy that it doesn't take that long, because I know someone, let me tell you a story. shortly. I know a guy, is a friend of mine. He also helped me install the angel eyes and the M bumper, but I don't think he was in the video. But what happened to him, he was driving at night with his Golf. It was a Golf 1.6 TDI stage 3 tune, so it was pushing 190 horsepower. I have raced him, by the way, in a video a few weeks before he had the accident. My car was really a lot faster. But what happened was he was just driving at night on a road doing 70 kilometers an hour where you can do 70. He wasn't speeding at all, they were just driving, and it was on a road where there was no light or nothing. And suddenly he drove into a horse of sheep, like 20-25 sheep. I have the footage, but I'm not going to show it because it's pretty shocking. You can, you know, the animals getting killed, and I don't like that image. I don't want to share it. But yeah, it was pretty shocking, and yeah, those sheep destroyed his car, of course. And you know, but it was also an insurance claim, but the insurance wrote his car off, but they didn't want to get it written off because he wanted to repair it, because it was repairable. And it took 6 freaking months until his car was fixed, until he got his money. 6 freaking months. So yeah, that's just ridiculous. And he had to get a lawyer and stuff like that. So I'm just happy that in my case it's not that bad. I know another person who had a Ford Focus who also had an accident. He wasn't in fault, and it took a month until this car was fixed. So I'm pretty happy that it will take for me only 2 to 3 weeks. I still think, you know, there should be a better system that, you know, if you're a victim of a car accident and your car is damaged, that you should get help faster. I think there should be a better system, but it is what it is. I at least am lucky that I got help pretty quickly. Now it's just waiting for the insurance money, because, you know, I already said to my garage, listen, I can't pay this fix out of my own pocket. I mean, I can't miss that money because I have other bills to pay, and I don't even have all that money. So that's that. And he said, well, I will get the money. You know, I know the guy very well, so he was like, don't worry. But at other places you can be pretty fucked, because you will have to give that money in front of the insurance money. So the insurance has a period of 1 month, and then they have to pay it, or I have to write them a letter and stuff like that. But they will have to pay me the money within 1 month, and it's now only 1 week. No, almost 2 weeks that has passed, so they still have time. But I'm curious. Anyway, so guys, at least thanks for watching. And probably one of the next videos, the car will be fixed again. I have another fun video in mind, which I'm gonna do. Doesn't really, with the car, doesn't really matter if it's fixed or not, but I have to do some preparation first. But it's going to involve with my RC cars, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. It's with my real car and my RC car, so cars. So yeah, that's gonna be a fun video. Driving with an MPAC 1 Series with a loud exhaust is fun and games until you come across a 140i that wants to play with you, and you realize you have half its power. We are also passing a tunnel, so we know what that means. That smells. Never gets old. Never gets old. And we have arrived at our trusty place at Andoning. So yeah, scrape. Okay, so I'm gonna drop off the car. Ooh, he has a Mustang. That's new. So yeah, I'm just gonna park the car, and then I'm getting a replacement one, and yeah, it's as easy as that. I know the place. So the BMW is already standing there, getting its oil replaced. We're gonna, he always, you know, lets the oil out when the car is hot, so the oil is more fluid, and then everything comes out better. And now we are back again in an E87, like the old days, the same one as always. So this one has no automatic lights, always think about that. So yeah, let's go. And I also just got a notification that my new phone finally has arrived. Let's go! Power! Infinite power! No, not really. But yeah, my new phone has arrived, so I can finally shoot in wide angle when I have my GoPro not around like this, because this phone has such a small visual. I mean, here I'm holding the phone next to my hat. I mean, look how small that view is. This phone is really terrible to vlog with because the image is so cropped. But now we're finally getting a phone that does it better. This car has a squeak that's driving me nuts. Somewhere there, oh man, it's so annoying. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Keep driving, baby. Oh yeah. Doing only a 70 kilometers an hour. Woohoo! So here is my new phone. I'm gonna unbox it, and then I'm pretty curious how good this thing will be. Very curious. Ta-da! The Realme X2 Pro. And why did I get this phone? Well, very simply, I hope they sent me the right one. As you can see the specs, it has 12 gigabytes of RAM, 260 gigabytes storage, Snapdragon 855 processor. That's, you know, recently the 865 came around, but that's still a very good processor. And you know what this phone costs? 500 euros. I mean, if you want a Samsung or an iPhone with the same spec, you're paying at least more than double. And this comes with a case, fully charged in 30 minutes, 64 megapixel camera, Snapdragon 855. So yeah, this is gonna be a lot better, because my current phone battery life is also getting pretty fucked up. I have to charge it 2-3 times a day, and this phone charges in 25 minutes, which is absolutely crazy. So this will benefit the channel a little bit, because when I don't have the GoPro around, I can use this one. It has more storage. My current phone is a 128 gig. This is 265. Better, you know, processor, so I can edit faster and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a win. It's another win for the channel. When I don't, oh shit, when I don't have my GoPro around, this will be way better. I mean, of course, it's still, I'm still, vlogging most of the time with the GoPro, but like now, because I wasn't planning on making, a video for the channel, but I just called my garage and he said, the door's already painted, you can drop the car off so we can start on it tomorrow. And I was like, normally I was gonna drop the car off tomorrow so they can work on it this Friday. But apparently the door was painted a day earlier, which is good news. So yeah, that's I'm very happy about that. So there was apparently a small problem with the side skirt. It was on back order, and it was only ordered this Monday. So that's not a good thing. That's really not a good thing. So I'm probably gonna drive to BMW Products myself and get it over there myself if it really takes that long. But yeah, I mean, new phone, the car's getting fixed. Hooray! Anyway, guys, I'm still gonna film most of the videos with the GoPro, right? So doesn't really matter with the phone that much, but it's in cases when I don't have my GoPro with me that I can shoot better videos. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.